Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to achieve this eye look. I will also be using my eyelid tape, and this is optional by the way. Taking my eyelid tape, I'm going to apply that right onto the eyelid crease, and I'm just going to pat that down. You also want to make sure that the eyelid area is makeup free. This will help make the eyelid tape stick on better and last longer. Next, taking my Bare Minerals Bare Pro Stick Concealer, I'm going to apply that all over my eyelid and just gonna go ahead and blend that out. This is going to be our base. Taking the shade Heat from a Morphe 3502 palette, I'm going to apply that onto my eyelid, and I'm just going to pat the eyeshadow on. Taking the shade that I was using earlier and the shade Universal, I'm going to mix those two together and apply that above the eyeshadow that I already have going on, and this is going to be our transition color. Now to darken up my eyeshadow, I'm going to take the shade In the Zone and Brave and pat that onto my eyelid. Next, taking the same eyeshadow that I was using, I'm going to apply that onto my lower lash line and just bring it almost all the way in. Now, taking a black eyeshadow, I'm going to darken up my lash line, and I'm just going to apply that on the outer and bringing it in about 3/4 of the way in. To finish off the eyeshadow, I'm taking the shade Pure and I'm going to apply that onto the inner corners of my eyes. Next, taking my Morphe gel liner in the shade Jet, I'm going to create a wing using it. Now I'm going to create a wing, and I'm just going to do it about midway and then dragging it down, creating kind of like a triangle shape, I guess you can say. And I'm just going to start on the inner corner and connect it with the other eyeliner. And then we're just going to go in and fill in the empty spots. Next, I'm going to create an inner wing, and I'm just going to draw a line straight down from the tear duct area and connecting it to my waterline and just filling in the spots that are empty. pretty much the same thing that we did on the outer wing earlier. Taking a nude eyeliner, I'm going to apply that onto my waterline just to make my eyes appear larger, and then I'm just going to go in with some eyeshadow and fix up the part that kind of messed up a little bit on the lash line. Next, taking Benefit Their Real Mascara, I'm going to apply that onto my lashes. And last but not least, to top off this eye look, I'm going to be wearing my Cocoa Lashes in Venus. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Goodbye, guys.